How to change profile picture Epic Games tutorial. So for this, open a browser and in the search bar you have to search for Epic Games and give it an enter. You have to tap on the first suggestion shown right here of the official page. So go ahead and double click on it. So right here, make sure that you are logged into your Epic Games. If not, go ahead and log in quickly. Now from here, tap on the user icon right here. In this list of options, go ahead and select the option of account. So go ahead and double click on account option. Now wait for the page to load. So right here, you will be able to do all of the account setting regarding your email to payment and everything from redeeming your code as well. So this is the section where everything can be changed or edited. However, you will see that there is no profile picture icon at the top, neither at the bottom of the screen. So this is because Epic Games have not implemented the profile picture option right now in Epic Games, and there is nothing that we can do for now. Hopefully, Epic Games will bring us an update to add a username or add an avatar for us. So that's pretty much it for this video as well. We hope this was informative to you and thank you so much for watching.